welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make burger. So yummy. So if you want to see how I made this yumminess burger, please keep watching. If you're new here, you've not subscribed, please press that button where you say subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Do not forget to leave your comment and give me a big thumbs up. Let's get started. The first ingredient is minced beef, and here I have 500 grams of minced beef. So to season the beef, here are all the seasoning. Here I have half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of chicken seasoning, half a teaspoon of minced herb, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of corn flour to mix with the minced beef. Next ingredient is some cheese, cheddar, 1 red onion, 1 lemon, 1 tomato, and some fresh lettuce that I washed and cleaned. Next ingredient is light olive oil to fry, mustard, mayonnaise, and ketchup. Next ingredient is buns, and in 1 pack I have 4 buns. Next, with a sharp knife, I'm going to be slicing the tomato into ring size, and the tomato has been washed and cleaned. So you want to slice your tomato into this shape. Then I'm going to cut the onion into ring size, and with the onion I've peeled the skin and wash. Next, I'm going to be making the sauce for the burger. So I just pour in some mayonnaise into a glass bowl. After that, I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of the mustard. Mix it together. Then I'm going to squeeze a tablespoon of the lemon juice into the mixture and mix it together until it's well combined. After mixing it, I'm going to keep it aside for later use. Next step is to season the minced beef. I'm going to crack 1 egg into the minced beef. After that, I'm going to be adding all the seasoning into the beef. Then add the corn flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Then I have my hands, which I wore hand gloves. You want to mix this with your hand, but I just prefer to wear hand gloves. But if you want to mix with your hand, you have to make sure that your hands are clean. So I'm going to be mixing this minced beef with the spices until it's well combined. And when I was mixing, I just realized that I didn't add the onion powder, which I later added later on. After mixing the minced beef until it's well combined, you don't want to over mix. I'm just going to stop here. Next, in a clean surface, I'm going to sprinkle some corn flour. Then transfer the minced beef to the work table. With my finger, I'm going to press the minced beef until flat, but not too flat. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. To stop it from sticking to the work table, I sprinkle some corn flour. Then I'm going to use a cutter and cut out the minced beef. The reason why I'm doing that is that I want all of them to be the same size. cutting out the minced beef. This is what it looks like. Next step is to fry in the fry pan. I have my pan in a medium high. To that I'm going to add light olive oil, just about a tablespoon. Then I'm going to drop all the minced beef. With this, I'm going to be frying for 8 to 10 minutes. So after 4 minutes, I'm going to flick it over and continue frying. It's been 4 minutes. Next, I'm going to flick over. Please, when buying your minced beef, you want to buy a minced beef that contains 20% fat or 10% fat. You get the better taste out of it. Most especially if you're going to be making burger. It tastes so yummy if the minced beef contains fat. And when you're frying your minced beef, it tends to shrink a bit. So you can see the size now. I'm scooping it out now because I've been frying for 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to be frying the onion because I don't like the taste of fresh onion. I'm going to be frying it, but not frying it completely, just 5 minutes. So I'm also going to toast the buns in the same pan. Next step is to put everything together. So I'm placing the bottom part of the bun first. This part is my favorite part because soon be ready to be eaten. So next I'm going to, spray the sauce. This sauce tastes so yummy. Spray it on top, like be generous with the sauce. So after that I'm going to be putting the lettuce on top of the sauce. Yay. To be honest, I love this part so much because it's almost time to grab and start eating. Next, I'm going to be putting the meat on top of the lettuce. Remember, I fried the minced meat for 10 minutes. I prefer my meat to be completely cooked. So I'm going to spray the sauce on top of the meat. Oh my god, look at that. Look at how I'm stacking. After that, I'm going to put the tomato next. Oh my god, look at that. Yummy fresh tomato. After the fresh tomato, I'm going to put the cheese on top of it. With this, you can just stack it the way you want. You don't have to do exactly the way I'm doing it. Just feel free to be creative. Then I'm going to put the fried onion. Did you see that? Yumminess upon yumminess. Delicious. So I'm going to spray some ketchup on top of it. Oh, look at that. Then I'm going to put the top of the bun. Oh my god, did you see that? Yummy. This is the finished result of the yummy burger. So yummy and delicious. I hope after watching this video you'll be encouraged to make your own burger at home. This tastes better than any takeaway. So please feel free to try this recipe. As I said, you can stack it any way you want. Thank you for watching this video to the end. To my old subscribers, to the new one, thank you. And if you've not subscribed, please press that button where it says subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Do not forget to leave your comment and give me a big thumbs up. I love you all and I will see you in another one. Bye.